Good morning, student. How are you all? I hope that you all are doing good. Today, we are going to start our third day of our online class English. Previous day, we have completed up to paragraph number 18. Okay. Now, we are going to start paragraph number 19. I will read it for you. Next morning, I did not go for my walk in the hills, but made my way down through the village towards the chateau. Next day means here we study yesterday night in the restaurant in the hill. What happened? Okay, after the incident, Yannick and Amandine. Okay, Amandine was very sad. She cried a lot because the famous man who came and drove the painting as a tip, Yannick put into the fire. Now, Yannick took a decision. I want make her to be happy, so that I will do something for that. Okay, after this incident, the next morning, Yannick did not go for morning walk. Okay, he used to go for morning walk, but today he did not go for morning walk. So he walked in the hills, but made my way down to the village toward the chateau. Chateau, we already came to know what is a chateau. Chateau is a just like a mahal where the famous person who live in chateau. Okay, Yannick went to the chateau. I waited till there was no one about. Okay, now he went to the chateau. He was waited there, but nobody was there. So I climbed the gate easily enough and then run down through the trees. So there was not any person to open the gate. So I jumped or I climbed the gate very easily. Okay, why? Because he wanted to make her to be happy, so that he is going to do something special. That's why he climbed the gate very easily and went to the chateau and then run down through the trees. There were many trees through the road, through the way he run. They are surrounded by the vast and threatening forest on all sides. Okay, while he was going through the way, it is a very amazing place. There was a threatening forest in all sides. Was the old man with very little hair who had come to the inn. While he was running and going through the place, he could see the old man sitting and drawing something. Okay, the old man who came yesterday in, he was sitting alone on the steps in the sunshine and sketching. The old man was alone there. Nobody was with him. He was alone, sitting and sketching. Did you understand? Yes, I approached as silently as I could. Okay, he approached him very silently without making any voice. He went near to him, very near to him, but somehow I must disturb him. But I have to disturb him because I am going to ask something to him, so I have to disturb him. He looked up, shading his eyes against the sun. Now the old man looking outside against the sun. Hello, young man, he said. The old man asking, hello, young man. What he asked? Hello, young man. Now that I was this close to him, I could see he was indeed very old. Now I am very closer to him. Okay, that means I am very near to him. Means both pass me. Then I could see he was indeed very old. By seeing we can understand that he is very old man. But lekin his eyes were young, bright and searching. But his eyes, by looking his eyes, look like a young man. He is not that much old. 20 paragraph we are going to read. Are you Monsieur Cezanne, the famous painter? He was asking, are you Monsieur Cezanne, the famous painter? Okay, Monsieur means here we'll see Mr. Word meaning it is given a word in French for the title Mr. Okay, he was asking, Mr. Cezanne, the famous painter? I asked. He seemed a little puzzled, so I went on. By hearing this, the old man became confused. Okay, so I went on. My mother says you are the greatest painter in the world. Yannick said to him, my mother said, you are the famous painter in the world. Okay, 21. He smiled and then laughed. The old man Cezanne, he smiled and he laughed. So, okay, I think your mother's probably right. Okay, bilkul आपका मम्मी सही है, right. What he said, that's it, right. He said, you clearly have a wise mother. आपका मम्मी बहुत wise है. She is very wise mother. But why did she let a young lad like you come wandering here on his own? But why your mother allowed to you to come here or wandering here and there? Okay, young lad means child. Okay, small child. Then here 22. I explained why I had come and what I wanted. Now Yannick explained everything. Maybe he explained the things yesterday, what happened and what he has to do here, why he came, everything he explained very clearly to Cezanne. Okay? It's okay, did you understand? Yes. Now, next sentence. He looked at me with curious brows and said, I remember you now from last night. Okay, I remember you now last night. Because last time what happened? Yesterday class we already learned. Here look at me with furious brows means wrinkled brows showing confusion or curiosity. Okay, the shape of our changes of our face. When we get angry, our face shape alag ho jayega, right? When we are very happy, our face very bright. Then here we see, I remember you now from last night. Last night, always I am remembering you in the inn or in the small restaurant. Okay, I am remembering you. Of course, I will draw another picture for Bruno. Okay, surely I will draw another picture for Bruno. Okay, yesterday the picture which he draw as a tip, he put into the fire. So today I will draw another picture for Bruno. What would he like? You tell me what he like. Which picture, which kind of picture he like? Okay, he asked to Yannick. No, better still, what would you like? No, let it be there. What you like? You say. You are here. Now you say what you like. Okay, Cezanne asking to Yannick. Cezanne asking to whom? Yannick. Yes, 23. Paragraph number 23. Okay, I like sailing boat. I like sailing boat. I said, can you do boats? Yes. Okay, Yannick like to travel the boat, into the boat, sailing boats. I will try. He replied with a smile. By smile, he replied, okay, I will try. मैं कोशिश करूँगा. Next sentence. It did not take him long. He drew fast, never once looking up. Now, the famous painter, okay, the old man, he started to draw. Okay, he did not take him long. He drew fast, very fastly he drew about the sailing boats. He is going to draw a sailing boat. Then, but he, as he walked, he asked me about where I had seen sailing boat. While he was drawing, at the moment he asked him the question to him also. Okay, he asked him the question to Yannick also. What he asked? He asked me about where I had seen sailing boat. Okay, you say, where did you see the sailing boat? You want the sailing boat picture, and where did you see this? Yes, about where I live in Paris. Okay, he live in Paris. Who live in Paris? Yannick. Okay, Yannick live in Paris. He said he loved Paris. Now the old man Zazan also give answer. I also like Paris and sailing boats. Sailing boat and Paris also I like very much. 26. There he said, tearing the sheet from his sketchbook and showing me. Okay, he completed the drawing and he tore the paper from his drawing book and showed to Yannick. Okay, what do you think? You tell me. Okay, what you thinking about this picture? This picture. Yes. 4 sailing boats were racing over the sea, out and beyond a lighthouse, just as I had seen them in Brittany. Now, Yannick responded that I see 4 sailing boats were racing over the sea in Paris. Paris, he could see the sailing boats. Okay, he says that 4, not a 1 or 2 or 3. There were 4 sailing boats were racing over the sea beyond the lighthouse. Lighthouse, all we know where the seashore. Okay, it is a sign to see the lighthouse. Okay, it is a sign of lighthouse. Just as I had seen them in Brittany, but I saw he had signed it Picasso. But in the picture, he put the sign of Picasso. Picasso is, here we'll see, a Spanish sculptor and painter who was considered one of the greatest artists of the 20th century. Here, Cezanne also very famous painter, but this Picasso, Cezanne putting the signature of Picasso. Okay, Picasso, person who is Spanish sculptor and painter, who was considered one of the greatest artists in the 20th century. He lived in 20th century. Okay, now I thought your name was Cezanne. I said, I thought your name was Cezanne. Who said this one? Yannick. Yannick said this one. I thought your name is Cezanne. Yes. Then he smiled up at me. Cezanne, look at the old man. He smiling. By hearing this, he smiling. How I wish it was. Okay. He said sadly. I am thinking how I wish it was. The Picasso is a famous person who lived in 20th century. I am also thinking how I was. Then he said very sadly. There he added, "Off you go now." Now the Cezanne say, you can go. You go now. Here don't be confused the name Cezanne and Picasso. Picasso, person who lived in 20th century. He was a very famous painter. Okay, now here Cezanne. Cezanne also famous. He saying to his he said to Yannick, you can go. Now we could complete our chapter here. Okay, previous all the paragraph, all you have to read one more time. Just I am going to bind up this classes here. For your homework, you have to write the word meaning all together. One time you have to write. Already you have done 2 days. You have completed your homework only word meaning. Then it is your 3rd day of homework. Again you have to write one more time as your homework. Okay, all the best. Bye.